I'm Karen Lassiter, the rehousing manager at Families Together. I've been with the agency for 5 years, and what drew me to Families Together was their mission statement that every family deserves a home and no child shall wonder where they should sleep at night.
Hi, my name is Amelia Brenner, and I have been working at Families Together for 3 years. I'm one of the Stabilization mentor advocates at Families Together, which means that I work with the families after they've moved into permanent housing. I can work with them for as little as 3 months, or I can work with them all the way up through their first lease, or 12 months.
My name is Jasmine Doolin. I am a stabilization mentor advocate here at Families Together. So I work with the families after they're housed up to a year to continue working on case management skills, making sure they pay their rent, bills, etc. And I've also had the opportunity to work on some special projects with families and hotels.
My name is Drew. I am the Affordable Housing Initiative mentor advocate here at Families Together. I have been here now for just about a year. Through my work as the Affordable Housing Initiative mentor advocate, I work with families in 3 of our programs, and our emergency shelter programs and our bridge housing programs, both of which are on site here, right at our office. And then I also work with families in our master lease program as well.
Hi, my name is Harriet Reynolds, and I am the Financial Empowerment Lead for the Financial Empowerment and Employment team. As the Financial Empowerment Lead, I work with all of our families on their personal finances, their budget, credit, anything that's related to their finances.
So in working with the families, my primary role is to find housing. And the challenges that we face are the barriers that the families come in with. Some come in with evictions, no income, low income, criminal background, and for some, it's just that they need a fresh start. They have employment but haven't had the opportunity to save enough money up to pay that security deposit, to pay that first month's rent. Our families come from, some are sleeping in their cars, some we've experienced are sleeping in tents, and some are coming from other shelters.
And sometimes when you have these large families of like 8, 9 people in a hotel room that may have 2 king beds and a sofa bed, it's a lot. So sometimes just dealing with that themselves, they just think, I can't get housed. We can't get housed. There's no way we can get out of this. So that has kind of been like a big challenge, is just trying to really get them to see, but you can, so let me help you do that.
And so not only do I get to help them with understanding management money skills, I also have the opportunity to help them eliminate some of the things that's been barriers, for example, their credit score, debt, that type of thing. So I get the opportunity to work with family on the whole financial health wellness as it relates to our family.
What lessons have I learned since coming to Families Together? I think I've really, especially within this last year with all that's going on with COVID realities, have just seen and experienced the beauty of partnership with organizations within our community. I think just not only seeing and learning about, but really experiencing the chances and the opportunities for collaboration and for innovation within our own organization for sure, and also within our broader community as well.
What I find most fulfilling about my role is when the families get that key when they sign their lease. Just seeing that joy on their face and knowing that there is a load that's taken off their shoulders, because no longer are they wondering, where am I going to sleep? Where am I going to find housing? And it fulfills our mission of making sure that the families that we come in contact with no longer are homeless, but indeed they have a home.
Something I've learned since working at Families Together is that one of the best things that you can do for people who are experiencing a crisis is just simply be there with them. It's not important to have all of the answers, and sometimes there isn't an answer. But what you can do is you can validate their feelings and their struggles. You can walk alongside with them, and you can just really let them know that this is not something that they have to deal with alone, and that is so powerful.
Our families come into this program because of homelessness. But the thing is that these families are very capable. The families that come in, they're intelligent, they're motivated, they have goals, they have aspirations, they have dreams just like you and I. And with just a little bit of help from us, a little bit of encouragement, and a little bit of support, I really do believe that the majority of our families can be successful.